What? Oh, okay, sorry. Okay. It's not long enough. Is it good? Okay. Where are you going to? Huh? Where? Okay, sorry. Here. Where are you going?
You take me back.
There.
Yeah, you take me back. Huh? I want to get something. This street.
Which street?
Yeah. If I want to block it, but no problem. No
Okay.
problem, no. They will complain.
Where are you going?
This tree. You see this tree?
Where?
This tree.
Oh.
I want to block it. They will. Huh? Can you help me?
You want to look? What? How many?
The leaves.
You want many?
Yeah, little.
Okay, get. You can get.
I can do. How can I get it? What it will not fall?
Yeah.
It will not fall?
Here. Here.
It will not fall?
Yeah. Here, come. Yes. No more?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Sa Opiabab, ginawa yung bulong. Kabal na nang gawa na kanyon. Marwana na katarin eh.
Not marijuana, huh?
Ha?
This is
Not marwana?
It's like no. This is like herbal medicine.
Medicine. Panulo daw ano ba? For what?
Like if you have fever.
Lagnat.
Yeah, if you have fever, you can. It's like moringa. You can use it as touristic, or you put calamansi.
Okay.
You put calamansi.
Yes.
Then you cook it together with mango. You know mango?
Yes.
Mango leaf. Yeah.
Oo.
Magsulasin mo pait eh.
Balbab, makanya lang talaga trip rin.
Mapait yan eh, hindi na na-flavor.
Alam mo, ka papasaw piyamante niya makanyan.
It's like
Oo.
it's like herbal medicine.
Nang, bago na natin eh.
Siguro panayag kayo ni Bob.
Bakit na binigyan ka?
Oo, zero na ka ako. Gani yakan managin.
Ngayon mo muli yan.
Gani yan, balibago Bob. Yung asawa na yata, malag na iyo. Oo, naman mag-asawang Pilipino eh. Ayan, there's more. Oh,
Thank you. Mango leaf, calamansi.
Here's mango leaf.
You have mango leaf? Where?
Do you want?
Yeah, do you have mango leaf?
No, did you see? That's a mango tree.
Yeah.
There.
Different leaf?
That's a mango tree.
Really?
Yes. Let us see again. That's a apple mango tree. Yes. This one, not that. This one. That's a mango tree.
Can I hold it? Can I hold it?
Yes, you can.
Let me hold this one. Let me close this.
If you want calamansi leaves, you go to a market. Where? There's. Okay.